Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Take Profit Trader to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, when you come here on tradingview.com and launch any of the charts for analysis, you just have to click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now over here, it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with your TradingView account. So here, use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Now you need to simply look for Take Profit Trader. Now as you can see, when you search for it, you won't be able to find it over here. It's because you can only connect the brokers here with TradingView, and since Take Profit Trader is a pro firm, you can't actually connect it directly with your TradingView account. So in this particular situation, what you need to do is you need to simply come here on Take Profit Trader. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing it at discounted price, you can just check out the link and the coupon code in the description. So here on this page, click on the option of login, provide your Take Profit Traders login credentials and simply login into your account. So whenever you purchase any of the plans here, you are going to get your MT5 or C trader or any other type of traders credentials. So most probably you will get your MT5 credentials. So you need to open a new tab and search for MetaTrader 5. Over here, click on the option of web terminal. You can also download the MT5 application on your iPhone or on your Android device, and then you can provide those credentials that you have got from Take Profit Trader here in this particular section. Now you can use TradingView for analyzing the chart. You can come here, you can click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner. After that, you can launch any of the charts and you can basically start analyzing it. Now based on your own trading skills, if you feel that you want to punch the orders, you can come here in your MetaTrader 5 app. After that, you can place your order, and this way you will be able to use the Take Profit Trader and TradingView together. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.